Hi, I'm Alex with ClassHook, here to show you some helpful resources when using the website. Let's get started. The help resources will be under the help navigation menu at the top. Let's start with use cases. This shows specific ways you can use ClassHook videos in your lessons, and each way includes an example. This is great for ideas or inspiration. Next up are the resources. This is a set of instructional materials, professional development materials, templates and fact sheets, and white papers our team has put together that are great as supplementary information for you when you're teaching in your classes. Next are the training videos. These show from a basic use of ClassHook to a more complex use of ClassHook how you can achieve specific outcomes, such as checking for understanding or deepening conceptual knowledge. They're great resources if you want to know how to use ClassHook at an advanced level. Next is the Help Center. This is the best resource if you want general information about ClassHook or you're looking for how-to guides and information about specific features. Finally, if you can't find what you need, you can always reach our team by clicking the Contact Us link, and we'd be happy to help you however we can.